Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Monday morning. It's 20 minutes before the hour. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. A brilliant start to your Monday. We had quite a few clouds this morning. Early this morning, 4 o'clock, it was mostly cloudy here, and most of that has dissipated, so we're in good shape. All of our Central Oregon highways are in great shape this morning. It doesn't matter which direction you're headed, with one minor exception. If you're just now getting a start out toward Government Camp, you may wind up with some wet roads going over Government Camp. About the only one in the mountains that'll get wet this morning. Right now, it's in pretty good shape, but we do have some rain headed in that direction. Santiam Pass is dry. It'll stay that way. The road to Mount Bachelor is in good shape this morning. Century Drive, nice and dry, and that's true for Willamette Pass as well. Well, this morning we're looking at some fairly mild temperatures. Now that the sun is up, we're starting to warm nicely. We were at 52 early this morning. It dropped down to about 48 degrees. Now the Bend Airport back up to 54 with calm winds and tons of sunshine. The same cannot be said for the heartland here, from the coastline of Texas all the way into Minnesota this morning. We're looking at some storm activity. It's been especially heavy in Nebraska. West of there, we're in really great shape all the way out to the west coast, with one big exception. This flow that we're looking at coming into the northwest has kept western Washington soaked all morning, and now we're starting to pull some of that into the Portland area. Astoria has seen a lot of rain. This will get as far south maybe as Salem. I don't know that Corvallis will see too much of this. Eugene certainly won't, but the northern Cascades will. Central Oregon, we're right at the southern fringe of this, so while we may get a cloud or two out of this, we are not expecting any showers. Yesterday we hit the mid-70s, and that's pretty much where we're headed again today. Morning thermometers around the state are all pretty mild. Central Oregon, we have a couple of cold spots, but the upper elevations are used to that here in these mornings. Most of us are in the low 40s to low 50s to get the day started. Future track model shows a few thin clouds that'll come through. Maybe later in the day over the Ochoco's we'll get a chance of some scattered showers, but that's going to be really slight. For the rest of the week, we will see this cloud pattern change considerably as we go through Tuesday and into Wednesday, and that's when we'll start to clear quite nicely. By the time we get to Wednesday, about this time Wednesday morning, we'll be under almost totally clear skies. For